Guys, happy Wednesday. Hopefully this works. I just did a Facebook Live and it said the internet connection stopped. Super weird. Anyway, I wanted to pop on before my kids came home from school because they've got early release today and answer one of the common questions that I've been getting a lot lately is how to create a clickable pin. And if you've known me for a little while, then you know your impressions and your followers on on Pinterest aren't as big of a deal as getting your pins to be clicked on. The whole idea is to have people click on your pins, which takes them to your website where they get interested in your product or hop on your email list and you're able to make sales from there. So then people ask, well, how do I get a pin that people are clicked on? The first rule, there's 4 steps. The first step is to have text on your pin. You cannot just put an image on your pin. Even if it's a beautiful image of a dress you're selling, you cannot just put an image on your pin, okay? People will look at it, they might repin it, but they're not gonna think, maybe this dress is for sale. It's just not gonna happen, okay? So the first step to creating a clickable pin is you want to have bold, easy to read text on your pin, okay? Then the second step to a clickable pin is you want an image which will hint or tell you what the post is about. If you have a product post and it's about a dress, then have a picture of someone wearing a dress. If you have a post about teaching people how to make a clickable pin on Pinterest, then this pin, I'm going to create either a picture of someone at a computer with a mouse or like a finger tapping on the phone or something like that. So you want the image to be about what your post or your product is about, okay? You don't want to show some crazy image and have nothing to do with your blog post because it's a combination of the bold text and the image on your pin that are going to get people wanting to learn more and to click. Okay, the third one is to not tell them the answer on your pin. So you don't want to say the #1 food storage mistake is not having a plan. Hey, Corrine, thanks for watching. You don't want to tell them the answer on the pin because they're going to read that answer and think, oh, okay, you're right, and keep on scrolling. Some will click, but you don't want the answer. Those infographics you see on Pinterest get amazing repins. They get amazing views, but very, very few people actually click on the infographic to go learn more because everything is on the infographic telling them what to do. So if you do create an infographic, have like 6 steps to doing something and have like the top 4 steps and say read blog post for more or something like that if you are dead set on doing an infographic. So the fourth thing about doing a clickable pin is you want to have a call to action, either on the pin itself, in the pin title or the description, or 2 or 3 of those. So if I have a pin for a landing page for a free food storage plan, it's going to be free food storage plan, grab it now type of thing, and they have to click and grab it. Or if it's a blog post about 7 mistakes of food storage, then on the title, it'll write 7 mistakes on food storage, and the description, I will write, read now the top mistakes of food storage so you don't waste money, waste time, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so those are the 4 things about a clickable pin. You want bold, easy to read text on your pin image, not just an image. You want a good image that describes what the post is about. You want to not tell them everything on the pin. So you want it to be intriguing. They want to be able to be enticed to click on the pin and learn more about what the blog post is about. Hey, Lorraine. And then you want to have a call to action somewhere, either on the pin, at least in the description, you need to have it. But if it's on the pin or in the pin title, that's kind of up to you, okay? Let me know what questions you have, and I will chat back and reply to them. Okay, guys, have a great afternoon.